So can you tell who likes the snow? Well, we don't want you watching that. Come here, Evan. That's a good girl. So some of my neighbors are actually starting to snow blow. I did cut a path. I will show you quick. From the door to the car, so I was actually able to take the snow off that one part of the roof. So thank goodness this snow is not heavy, that it's cold out, because they kept talking about this snow being heavy because it was so warm yesterday. It was like in the 50s here, or almost 50 here yesterday. So I really thought the snow was going to be heavy, so thank goodness it's really not. It's fairly light and easy to maneuver. So hopefully when John gets up, he can power up the snowblower so we can clear whatever we end up with, because as this is still snowing and it's only about 12:30, I'm curious to see how much we actually end up with. What's the matter, guys? Did you get tired? You tired? And of course my neighbor's dogs are barking yet again. And you probably can't see it, but my bird feeder's doing well today. So we're feeding all the little birdies in the neighborhood. And it looks like they've stopped playing. So we're gonna head on inside, maybe have some hot cocoa. And then we will return and give you some more footage later on today. Take care, everybody. Well, all I have to say is thank goodness he found the key, and thank goodness it's working. Because we have a lot of snow. And I happen to go on my Facebook page, Memories. Strange enough, same day, February 9th, in 2013, we had another massive storm. I think that's when we got like almost 2 feet of snow, because I remember the pictures showed that our I think we had to like literally dig out from our deck. But I went out, I cleaned off the cars. I can't find my gloves, so my hands are frozen. But I'll tell you, we're finally done, but we have all the blowing, and it is bitterly cold. And then when that cold wind blows, it's just bone chilling. It is so cold out. And then tonight, I think they were saying something where it's supposed to be, I don't know, John, I think mentioned it's supposed to be like 8 degrees or something like that. And then I was talking to Amanda from Amanda LAC, and she was saying in Pittsburgh, I guess it's supposed to be like 60 on Saturday. It's like, what the heck is wrong with this weather? As you can see, he's gonna hit the door. guess I'm gonna have to clean off the front porch again, but I don't care. I don't have to shovel. So, since the door is now completely wet and you're not gonna be able to see anything, I'll stop the video here, and I hope everybody is safe, warm, and if you had a day off like me, I hope you're enjoying your day off, and we'll talk to you all soon. Take care, everybody.